Securing your future. Why investing matters. Investing is simply putting your money to work for you. It's about making your money grow over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You put it in the ground, water it, and over time it grows into a strong tree. Investing helps you build wealth for the future. It's not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Whether you're saving for a house, retirement, or your children's education, investing can help you reach your goals faster. Imagine you save $100 a month. If you keep it in a jar, it will take a long time to grow. But if you invest it wisely, it could potentially double or even triple over time. That's the power of compounding. So don't wait. Start investing today and watch your money grow. Your future self will thank you for it. Understanding the building blocks, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Let's talk about the different types of investments. Think of them as tools in your investing toolbox. First up, we have stocks. Stocks are like owning a tiny piece of a big company. When the company does well, the value of your stock goes up. Next, we have bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to the government or companies. They pay you interest over a set period. Finally, we have mutual funds. Mutual funds are like baskets of different stocks or bonds. They allow you to invest in a variety of companies or bonds with a single investment. Each investment has its own risks and rewards. It's important to understand them before you invest. Taking the first step, your journey to investing. Starting your investing journey is easier than you think. First, determine your financial goals. What are you saving for? How much time do you have? Next, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see how much you can save and invest each month. Even small amounts can make a difference. Now, it's time to choose your investments. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're unsure, seek advice from a financial advisor. Finally, open an investment account. Many banks and online platforms offer these accounts. Once you've opened an account, you can start investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to successful investing. It's like having a balanced meal instead of just eating one type of food. When you diversify your investments, you spread your risk. This means that if one investment doesn't perform well, others can help cushion the blow. Imagine you invest all your money in a single stock. If that company goes bankrupt, you could lose everything. But if you have a diversified portfolio, the impact would be much less severe. Remember, diversification is your best friend in the investing world. Remember to start early, grow big. The power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the better. It's all thanks to the magic of compounding. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest. As you earn interest on your investments, that interest is reinvested, and you earn interest on the new amount. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. The same principle applies to investing. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, it will grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. So don't wait. Start investing today. And remember, the Ladder to Success is a fantastic resource for new investors. They offer valuable information and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy investing!